Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use templates here on Evernote. Let's begin. Now, using the Evernote templates on a mobile device is a straightforward process, but it's slightly varied depending on the platform that you are using. If you are using an iOS or an Android. In my case, I am using an Android, so the template section can be found in multiple ways. There is a more option at the bottom right. There's a three dots where you click on it. There you should have an access to the templates. All right. Now using this is quite easy. Once you have access to the template, for example, this one right here, we have a separate video on how to create a template that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, for you to be able to use it, just access that. You can rename now the template that you have created in the past. All right, how to use a template. Now the template will be the base structure of any data that you will be working on. Matter of fact, I can simply delete this, add a new information here. All right, so from here, basically that's how you can edit or use a template. Now you can add more information along the way. You can type more information here, for example, a text. Use template. Having an access to a template that you have created allows you to skip repetitive tasks instead of, starting from scratch each time. You can quickly use a pre-designed template that fits your need, whether it's for note-taking, project planning, and of course, meeting minutes. All right, so you can have all these. And once again, if you're happy with the data that you have created from a single template, go to the top right corner. You can see the three dots icon. You can share this to your client, or if you're in a collaborative environment, you might want to share this to your team members, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. You have the option to restrict it, or if you want the client to edit that or view only. Not only that, you also have an option to click the three dots and make this be removed to the template section if you wanted, or click a duplicate note as well. So you have all these options for you. That's how you basically use this template right here. As you can see, if you go to the up top right corner, you can use again this template for as long as you want, and you can place it to a different notebooks or sections so that for an easier access in the future. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.